Okay. Making an access hole in the old bed here. It's going to make things forever easier. Filling the hydraulic tank when it gets lower, if it does. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. There we go. The lid for it. So, got the new one. That shed a little light on the subject, huh? Okay, I come back. Be installing this beauty. Okay. I guess I could call this part 2. There she is. Installed. Gotta get rid of the old wiring harness. The setup's a little different. The old one had a up down lever on the dash. This one here, it's got a control box. I haven't decided where I'm going to run it to yet. But here's a maiden voyage, boys and girls. She's going up. She's going up. Hallelujah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thumbs down, ladies and gentlemen. No leaks, no drips. That's awesome. Okay, the next thing is to figure out what to do with this. thought about maybe drilling a hole, getting it up to the firewall into the cab and have it right there by my gear shifter. It's got a little mounting deal on it. We'll see. That'll be down the road. I also installed a new hitch. I don't know if you can see that. The other one was homemade. It was something. Poor man's got poor ways, you know how that goes. Well, that's it. That's my chores for today. Get that going. Get a little bit of firewood to split. I still haven't got over to my wood shed. I know you guys, I told you I'd keep you updated on that, and I just been doing other stuff. Projects, man. Okay, well, Saturday. Go ahead and see what the sweetheart wants to do. Tidy up out here. Call it a day. You guys have a good weekend. Take care. Stay warm. Lick it out.